Aloha Romantic friends and new viewers, thank you for tuning in today's channel. If you not have already done so, go ahead and hit the subscribe button and also the notification bell so you will never miss an update. So today we're going to go ahead and cut the Tropical Ambiance soap that I made a couple days ago. And we're going to see how it turned out. It smells really good. Smells just like white tea and ginger. And if you're a ginger fan, you can definitely get hints of the ginger essential oil that is in the soap. So it's very humid in the climate where I'm at, and so I don't know if my camera can pick it up or not, but my soap started to sweat. It has little moisture droplets on the melting pour, so I definitely have to get a dehumidifier so that my soap doesn't have that effect. So we're going to go ahead and cut this today, and I just want to cut a very small piece from the front. And I still need to adjust my cutting board so that my soap won't slide on the cutting board when I cut it, because I saw that I had that difficulty in the last video that I made. So let me just cut a little slice there. Now, Tropical Ambiance does have the fresh ginger in it, and as I can see, I tried to do a in a pot swirl here, but you can't really see the swirls. They would have been in blue. But it's very pretty color, so I like the way how it turned out. It's like some of my melting pour didn't stick so well. I didn't put it up there right, so my little melting pour is kind of coming off my soap. So next time I make sure I press it down into the soap so it'll stick better. And there you have it. I was hoping to see more a swirl pattern here, but that's fine. Still cute. I like it. I like it a lot. Alright guys, there you have it. And here is your romantic thought for today. 1. Would you rather cook a romantic dinner or 2? Would you rather hold hands and walk somewhere with a lot of pretty lights? Please list in the comments below and let me know which romantic thought that you would prefer the best. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to take time out to pamper yourself. Bye now.